Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing simply Bill. In Cars 3, Bill takes part in the Crazy 8 Demolition Derby, featured as Guy Lightning McQueen under the name Chester Whipplefilter, and Cruz Ramirez, who went by the alias Francis Beltline. During the race, he together with Patty and Siglert, are pushed by Miss Ritter. And it's at this moment that he said hello to Patty. When ABB hits Patty, Bill dropped out of the race for a short time, with Siglert crashed into a wall because of her and returned. He was then passed by Superfly and bumped into tyres and dropped down till next time. A few days later, he would attend a bar where he and many other Crazy 8 racers would watch the Father 500 race, rooting for Cruz Ramirez and Lightning McQueen. And he also appears in Cars 3 Dream Twin as a non-playable character. Here's his physical description now. Bill is a saloon that's painted red, blue and yellow. He has a red bonnet, roof, and a boot with a yellow grille and stripe on the sides. His roof and lower parts are blue. On his bonnet and back he has a Loxo ball painted on them. He has a yellow number 86 on the doors and his roof. Now let's have a close look at him. Look, he's number 86, very nice, red, yellow, blue. Stands out from APB. Same thing with Jambalaya Chimichanga as well. She stands out. She got some nice stuff. Got white, red, green, blue, stuff like that. And I may do a review on her, so look out for that if you can. I see red windows, red, blue roof, blue under. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what it's called. Blue wheels, or blue tyres, I should say. Odd choice there, Bill. William. Here's his base if you're interested. As I previously mentioned, he's got the Pixar ball on his bonnet and rear. And he kind of looks like Andy Vaporlock. Well, in terms of the model, car model, as I should say. I think that's pretty much all there is to say, isn't there? Goodbye, my precious.